Children, first you will take 3 sliced bread, boiled potato, mayonnaise, sliced onion, ketchup, tomato sauce, cheese, grated carrot, sliced tomato, chaat masala, salt, bread. Children, when we have taken 3 sliced bread, first we will cut the edges of the bread, that is the brown part. Then when we have cut the brown part, we will flatten the bread with the rolling pin. We have to flatten all 3 slices simultaneously. After that, we will keep it likewise I have kept in a row, and we will apply a water as I am applying, you can see. And after applying the water, we will keep a bread above a water where we have above a place where we have applied a water, like this. After that, you have to press it gently, and then with the help of a rolling pin, you have to again flatten the bread like this, so that it sticks properly and it does not come out. Now we are going to make a red base which we are going to apply on our bread. First we will take a grated carrot, then we will take a tomato sauce, then we will take a butter, and then we will mix it accordingly. We have to mix it properly so that a fine paste is made. Now you can see my red base is completed. Now we will move to a second base, that is a green base. So first we will take 1 boiled potato. We will mash a potato with the help of a spoon, the back side of a spoon. We will mash it properly so that no lumps are there. Then we will add green chutney which I have made earlier. Green chutney is made by coriander leaves, tomato, chili. Then I have added butter, and again we will make a fine paste through it. Children, be clear that the paste is very fine. No lumps are there. After that, we will again come back to our bread slices, and where we will apply both these paste on a bread slice. Children, more than half of the part we will apply a green base. You can add according to your taste, or vice versa. If you want, you can add a red base where I have applied a green. like this you will apply it and see that it's being applied evenly. Then over it we will apply a grated cheese. We will sprinkle a chaat masala. Again we will sprinkle a salt according to our taste. Please don't apply much salt as salt is already there in the mixture of chutney and all. And then we will fold it like this. Try to fold it very gently. And then after when you have folded, you have to press it very gently. And then we are going to wrap in a aluminium foil. We are going to wrap it because we are going to keep this bread roll, a spring veg sandwich in a refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, like this we have rolled it, and now we are going to place it in a refrigerator. Now children, you can see after removing it from a refrigerator, I have cut the pieces of the veg spring sandwich. You can see how colorful it looks, and it's very yummy too. Children, you can decorate your plate accordingly. You can see how nice it looks. I hope you all like it. So try to make it at your home and enjoy the yummy veg spring sandwich. Children, make it and let me know how you liked a recipe of veg spring sandwich.